Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me show you how the next thing we're going to do. Go open up a Google and go to images, okay? Now, I want my cover to have a really cool picture of Santa. So I'm just going to do Santa. And I'm going to find one that I really, really like. Oh, you know what? I'm proving Santa. Doesn't that look like him over here? I like that one. I kind of like this one too. But I think I'm going to take this guy. I'm going to lift him up and I'm going to lift them until I get to my slideshow. And my slideshow opens. I'm going to drop him right on that first slide. And he goes in there. I'm going to enlarge him and put him in. There's my picture. Now I'm going to go to my next one, footprints on my roof. Now I can either find footprint pictures to put on here or what makes the footprints? Reindeer. Let me see if I can't find reindeer on a roof. Okay, I'm going to put reindeer on the roof. Maybe there's a picture of that. There are, look at that. That's perfect. Ooh, but I found another one. Let me get you over to this one. This one looks really cool. Look at this guy. See the reindeer on the roof? That's a cool picture. So I can choose either one of these. I think I'm going to keep with the Santa theme and I'm going to grab, well, yeah, I'm going to grab this guy. This one's kind of funny though, too. I could take a look at this guy. He's cute. I could take that one too. Just a different book. But I'm going to take this one. I'm going to lift it up, go to my slideshow, drop it in there. There's my footprints on the roof. Make it large because that's the next best thing to my text. There's my picture. Okay, elf on the shelf. Now I'm going to find a picture of my elf on the shelf. Elf. I'm just put elf. Ah, I got the elf, or I can do elf on the shelf. Elf on the shelf. And see, now there's all different kinds of elves on the shelf. So I can do, hmm, kind of like that when they're flying, or maybe being a really good boy, or being the silly boy he is. Oh, they're always silly, aren't they? So I'm going to take the silly one, and oops, go to my slideshow, and there he goes. Drop him in. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Now to add some really interesting pictures, we're going to add what are called GIFs. Okay, so I put Elf on the Shelf GIF. What happens is when I click on something, like I clicked on this guy, I get this little window up on the other side. And look at him blinking. Do you see him waving? I like that. Um, I can click on this guy, and they have kind of like a snow overlay. I'm going to show you how to do that in a few minutes, okay? I have this guy, and ooh, it zooms in on him. I don't know. I kind of like this guy. He's always watching. What about this one? Oh, he's moving. But notice they're moving. If I take the picture from here, it does nothing. I need to take the moving picture, the one that's moving. I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to take it to my slideshow and put it, oops, you know what? Not ready yet. I'm going to put them right there. I got to have the side open still. Okay. So I'm going to, I got to, I'm going to take him, I'm going to exit him out. I'm going to open up my slide. I'm going to put him right there and notice him moving. I'm going to take him from the corner to make him the right size. And then if I move him, see that red line open up? That means he's centered on my page. And there's my GIF. And then I'm going to do one more for a letter for Santa. Let me find another one. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to do and leave GIF there. I'm going to do letter to Santa. Oh, look at this. Look at these guys. Now, I want to warn you, you're going to get some probably inappropriate pictures, okay? And some of them are just not right to have, okay? But I like this one. What does he do? Oh, it's just going between pictures. Nah, not him. What does Peanuts do? Oh, I like that. He's typing. Okay. Um, oh, that's nice. Where Santa's writing you a letter. So it depends on what you wrote. If you write Santa writes you a letter, that's a good picture. I'm going to take that one. So I'm going to take this one. Remember, it's the moving one. I'm going to lift him up and go to my slideshow. Open up my slideshow, Miss Silva. There it is. Letter for Santa. When he drops in there, I'm going to take him, I'm going to move him first so he's on top of the page. I'm going to do him from the side so he grows appropriately. Okay, now I have these GIFs. So notice they're moving and the other ones are not. Now, on the first slide and only the first slide, I can put what's called a snow overlay. Okay, I'm going to do a Google search. I'm going to go for, you can see they're moving already, clear snow overlay GIF. You want something with a white background. Here's one. And again, it's moving. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to open up my slideshow. I'm going to drop it in. Now the snow overlay, you don't want to put this on until you are done with your slide because it works like a mattress. Okay, I'm going to put it up in the corner. And you know how you have your sheets on your bed, and you can't get to that bottom sheet unless you take off your comforter and then your sheet, and you can go down to that fitted sheet. Okay, this will be the only time I tell you that you can stretch this on the side. Okay, you want it to fit your picture. I'm going to fit it, and I'm going to go all the way down. There's my overlay on my first picture. And that's what you're going to do for your photos, okay? I showed you how to do GIFs, which are those moving pictures. So I'm going to go over here. I showed you GIFs. I showed you an overlay, okay? The next slideshow, I'm going to show you how to animate everything to make this the coolest thing, okay? Maybe I'm going to have a picture of a reindeer and he's going to fly in or something, okay? Talk to you later.